A warm welcome to all my dear friends. Today I'm here to teach you statistics part 3, and in this session I'll be teaching you about median, and let's solve more problems under this topic. So if you didn't see my part 1 and part 2, just see it and come. Then only it will be more easier, because most of the formula in part 2, what I'm just gonna do is simply add something, that's it. Or replace something with some new formula, that's it. So here I have an example. So let's read the formula or write the formula and understand it. So the formula is over here written already. L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, into H is nothing but height, and length is nothing but length. I mean L is nothing but length. So L and height is similar in the last thing. For finding a mode also there was L and H, but the middle one in the n by 2 minus CF and F was not there. Okay, so what we need to do now is find the value of L, n by 2, CF, H and F. We need to find the formula for these. Okay, so for finding L is easier, okay, and than others, and height is also easy because we already studied them. So other is gonna be not hard. If you studied or cope up with me, it's not gonna be hard. If you didn't cope up with me, if you rewind, it means it will be a little bit harder. Okay, so what we need to do now, first what we are gonna do is CF is there. So what we need to find first is, let's find the L and the height. So how to find the L and the height? So L is nothing but, just find the which is the highest number in the Fi group. So 4, 5, 13, I guess 20 is the highest one. There's nothing but higher than 20 in the Fi group. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to round this whole column like this, okay? So not round, I square this whole column. So now what I need to do is, the left hand side, this 1 to 5 is going to be my length. So 1 to 5 is length. So how to find the height? Height is nothing but just these both are there, right? So minus 85 minus 65. So height is nothing but 85 minus 65 gives us 20. So we got the height and the length. Now what we need to find is the CF. So I draw a column for a CF. So let's find the CF. So what I'm going to do is, like as usual in the 9 table what we did, we had like a trick, right? We write the numbers first, like 1 to 10, I mean 1 to 0. Then what we're going to do? We're going to write it in a decreasing manner. Like 1, 2, 3 till 9 we wrote. So 9 means 0, like that we wrote, right? That's the same thing, but we are not going to write the same thing actually, but the same method, or like the same study that was very easy, right? It went to our minds, so it stored it very well than the 8th table or the 9th table, I mean 7th table or the 6th table, right? So same thing for the CF formula is going to be storing in your mind for harder, I mean farther than this N to F or H or L. Okay, how to find the CF is nothing but, first write this 4 same. Okay, CF first one is also 4. Now what I'm going to do is add these both. Okay, we're going to add 4 and 5. This gives us the adding rate. 4 plus 5 is nothing but 9. So 9 plus 13 is 22. So 22 plus 20 is nothing but 42 and 56 and 64 and 68. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, we'll just stop all right here and find our CF. Our motive is to find CF this time. Now we are going to find our CF. So how to find the CF? There's a lot of option. So what I'm going to do, you can see here one square option, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just square it like this. Okay, but this is not going to be my CF. The up of this one is going to be my CF. So when I square them like a pair, like this, I'm not going to choose the same equal one. I'm going to choose the upper one for a change. So the change is going to be our CF. So our CF is 22. So what is this N by 2? N by 2 is nothing but the sum of Fi by 2. So N is, how to find, I am not interested in adding these both again. But actually we did it already. We did it for finding CF. We added this, right? So 68 is gonna be our total sum. So if you don't have doubt, let's add these one. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 13, 22. 22 plus 20, 42. 42 plus 40, 56. 56 plus 8, 64. 64 plus 4, 68. So 68 is equal to 68. So n by 2 is nothing but 68 by 2. So what is this f? Oh my god, we forgot the f. So f is nothing but the 20 which we already marked at the first. So f is nothing but 20. So here we have our formula. Now what we need to do, we need to simply execute them. We have all the values, right? So 125, L is nothing but 125. Okay, n by 2 is nothing but 68 by 2. Then minus CF is nothing but 22 and F is nothing but 20 and H is nothing but also 20. So these both are 20, right? I'll cancel them both because this is in multiplication form and this is in division form. So I can just divide it. So 2 plus 6 is nothing but 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 4 is 8. So 34. So our answer is going to be 125 plus 34 minus 22. So 34 minus 22 is nothing but obviously it is 12. So 12. So 125 plus 12 is nothing but 137. So we have finished our part 3 also. So thank you for watching my video. If you find this helpful, you can just share this to others or your friends or your relatives also who need this help. And if you have any doubt under this topic or if you want me to teach more about this topic or describe it a lot under this topic, you're free to comment below and I'll read the comment as usual. My next video will be about that. Thank you for watching.